Hello everybody. Tanisha here, coming to you guys with another video. I am so excited to share with you the goodies that I received in my beauty in a book box. Now y'all don't do it. Don't talk about me. I know the video for the other one just went up. Okay, now look, I be out here living la vida loca. And I'm just playing. I be out here living my life though. So I had meant to have got it up earlier. But look, okay, you know what? We ain't gonna talk about it. We just gonna play Bears beats, and then we just gonna slide back in. Y'all forgiving me for being late. We just gonna play his beats, and then I'm gonna slide back in, and this never happened. All right, guys. So here we are. I'm forgiven. I thank you for forgiving me, and we're going to stay on top of it now, though. This is a quarterly subscription box, beauty and a book box. If you would like a special code, money off, all that good stuff, you know what you can do? You can go down to that description area, guys, and if you just scroll past the links, I have a big, all caps that says coupons. They're there, but you know where else they are? On the blog post, www.TanishaKemp.com. You see it on the screen right here. Go there, see what I'm talking about, see what I'm blogging about. Get your discount code. It will also be in the pinned comment, a direct link to this blog post in addition to the discount code that I have for you guys. So you can save some money to get you some goodies and box. Also, they have the adult version of this and the teen. I have the adult version. Let's open it up. So this says... Okay, so we have a little bag here, and a lot of these bags, this is what I use instead of gift bags. So if you need to give something to your friend, y'all stop going to the Dollar Tree and get them gift bags. We is old now, okay? We don't want gift bags anymore. We want stuff like this. We can carry to the Aldi and put our groceries in, okay? So this is what we need. So it says might be makeup, might be snacks. So it has a little bag right here, and this is perfect too with the summertime because I can put my little beach towels in here, or I can put some snacks in here because you know when you go swimming, you need some snacks. That's why I keep my little nail laters right here. I'm gonna put one in my mouth now. Got to have a nail later while I open up this box. Let's see. Okay, so organic and botanic night moisturizer. So let's open this up. Botanic, it's vegan friendly. Okay. Oh, I love this. When they package their stuff like this, you know they care because, oh my God, God forbid you open up your stuff and everything just pop out. We don't want that. That's like a vanilla kind of scent. Nice and creamy. Okay. It's really thick. It's really thick, but it still moves. You know, sometimes the moisturizer is thick, but then it don't go nowhere. And this it's thick, so it sits in your skin. It's not gonna run, but it's really smooth. And this is their Madagascar coconut. You smell a little bit in there, and then that Madagascar. That's what that deep vanilla is kind of giving me. That kind of like vanilla with a little musk. Okay, we have a Konjac facial cleansing sponge, 100% biodegradable. So good for all skin types, provides a natural and gentle exfoliation, can be used to remove makeup, oil, dirt, and grime. The sponges are dehydrated. Just soak them in warm water until they expand. You can use this with or without cleanser, and after you use it, rinse out the sponge, squeeze the water to drain, and hang it dry when it's not in use. And also says on here, recommended replace it every 3 months. So just FYI. Oh, wow, it has a little string. I'll keep this in the shower then. Oh, okay. It has a little string on it. Look at that. I can hang this on my cleanser in the shower. Okay. I can't wait to play with this. I never had nothing like this. I use a facial cleansing thing, but it's silicone, so it's really soft. So I'm nervous about trying something a little bit harder, but it says it's going to puff like a sponge. Maybe it'll be a little bit softer. And then here we have book theme novelty socks. Oh, aren't they cute? And they're purple. Happy birthday to me. Aren't they cute? Yes. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I just put together a care package, and this would have, oh my God, oh, the book. Okay, sorry, I just saw the book, got excited. I would have loved to include this in that, but you know what? I'm gonna keep this for me because it's my birthday. It's my birthday month. I'm gonna keep this for me. I'm always giving stuff away, but I'm gonna keep this for me. Follow your dreams. And this is it just says a journal. Try to journal daily, and I do. But I just put together a care package for a young lady that I love, who was like a daughter to me. And I thought that I meant to include a journal in there, but the box wasn't big enough and I didn't want to move to the next box because then I'd be trying to fill it up with stuff, y'all. That's how I am. My husband, as soon as he sees the box, he's like, who you sending something to now? I'm always giving stuff away. So I did not want to fill it up to the next size box. My husband would have killed me. And our book for this month, it says here, Cicely Tyson, Just As I Am, which is so fit. Honor Black history, Black people, Black heritage, not just February. There's other holidays throughout the year. In June, we have Gospel Music Heritage Month. There's a week that usually a lot of churches will do concerts, stuff like that, but usually they'll sing older songs, so that's another time. And then we have Juneteenth as a holiday, so there's so many other opportunities. I'm always encouraging, I'll include a link to those videos as well. I'm always encouraging guys to study other cultures and histories. So I am excited because I wanted this book, and there was a book that book subscription that I was a part of that they did this book before I renewed mine. And so because I skipped a couple months and I didn't look to see what the book was, and they had the book, and so here we are. Now I get to finally get my hands on the Cicely Tyson book. So I'm excited, guys. I am so excited. Oh my goodness, and look. Oh, it's purple and it's autographed. I love it. Such a befitting tribute to Cicely Tyson. Y'all know who Cicely Tyson is. She done played everybody mama and grandmama for years. Okay, Cicely Tyson, my goodness, just so regal. So I'm makeup, mantra makeup. Okay, this is confidence to complement your glowing skin. Okay. So here's the lipstick. Pretty. It looks brighter because of the light I'm using, but it's actually it looks like a kind of like a mauve plum color. Wow. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I ain't even seen a lipstick, y'all. I almost just got rid of my little lipstick. Okay, so you know what? You never know what's in here. You never know. You never know. So that's really it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this opportunity. Want to join in? You can be like me. You too can have these goodies. And guess what? When you show your box, you get something extra. So all you have to do is show your box, take a picture of it on social media, share it on your blog, share it on your Facebook, share it on your blackplanet.com page, wherever you are, and tag them. Tag them in it or send them an email, let them with a link and let them know that you shared it, and they will include something extra in your box because I got a bookmark in mine. Now, I recorded the video, but I just went up. So my next box should have extra goodies in it because I shared. So, you know, the power of a like and a share. I've actually shared this with a couple of friends who have subscribed using that awesome refer code that I have for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy this opportunity, and let me know, comment down below, are you part of a book subscription? You know, have you joined in? Have you saw these Beauty on a Book box late unboxings and was like, you know what, let me get my own box because Tanisha be taking too long with the unboxing videos. That's why you really need to get it, because y'all know I be taking forever to get them up, but not no more. Okay, raise your hand and say on time. Okay, on time. Give me a high five. I'm gonna be on time now. Be on time. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.